Humans have climbed the highest mountains, crossed oceans, reached space, but one question remained: what lies beneath our feet? So scientists attempted something very unbelievable. This is what they did. They started digging, not a mine, not a tunnel, a hole so deep. They hope to reach the deepest part of Earth no human has ever attempted to. But years later, the project suddenly stopped, not because they reached the goal, but because Earth became very impossible to continue. During the 20th century, scientists launched one of the most ambitious engineering projects ever attempted. They wanted to drill deeper than humanity have ever gone before. Not for oil, not for treasure, but to understand Earth itself, layer by layer, rock by rock. But the deeper they went, the closer they believed they would come to understanding our planet's hidden structure. Everything looked possible until it wasn't. The drilling continued for years. Machines pushed deeper underground. Temperature increased, pressure increased, conditions became harder to predict. But the deeper they drilled, unexpected problems appeared. Rock behaved differently, equipment struggled, progress slowed. Then something happened scientists really didn't expect. Earth became far hotter than predictions suggested. Temperatures underground reached extreme levels. Machineries designed for deep drilling started reaching its limits. The deeper section became unstable. Conditions became suddenly difficult to manage. Suddenly, the mission changed. It wasn't how much deeper we can go. It became, can we continue at all? Years of effort slowed dramatically. But something interesting happens psychologically when humans face impossible limits. Humans dislike boundaries. We naturally believe that if something exists, it can be reached deeper, higher, faster, further. But projects like this reminds us of something very uncomfortable. Intelligence does not remove limits. Sometimes nature simply refuses, and psychologically humans struggle with an unanswered question because we want completion, we want closure, and we also want explanation, which makes unfinished discoveries feels mysterious. As the project continued, researchers collected enormous amount of geological information, but the public became fascinated by something else: rumors, stories, and theories. People imagined hidden discoveries, secret findings, and things too disturbing to reveal. Most of those stories spread because humans naturally fill uncertainty with imagination. When information disappears, stories appear. Maybe the project revealed something more important than what lies underground. Maybe it revealed something about us. Humans' ambition has no natural finish lines. We always want one more answer, one more discovery, and one more breakthrough. But Earth reminded us that curiosity does not guarantee access. The project ended not because humanity stopped being curious, but because reality became stronger than ambition. The deepest hole ever attempted remained unfinished, waiting silent beneath the surface. Somewhere underground, deeper than human ever imagined, the earth continues, untouched, unknown, and maybe some mysteries remain deeper than we expect. So if this is the first time of you coming across my video, please do it to subscribe, share this video so that other people will be able to learn about the history of the deepest hole ever attempted by the scientists. Thank you so very much. See you in my next video.